I would also like to add one thing. The way all the supporting staff and teachers behave with my child and all the child, the happiness, the energy, the way they greet with us, I really appreciate that. That is outstanding. The way they, hello sir, बच्चे आए तो hello, और the way they behave, जिस तरह से वो बच्चों से बात करते हैं, वो जो फीलिंग आती है ना कि मैं मम्मी से छूट गया, मैं पापा से छूट गया, मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ, तो इस तरह से जब वो वेलकम करते हैं बच्चों का, इस तरह से वो बिहेव करते हैं, I really appreciate it. That's amazing. Thank you.
To support my child to the extent, I just want to share one experience. I'm working, I have to rush back to office every day in the morning. तो कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि चलो स्नैक्स बॉक्स में बिस्किट डाल दो, जल्दी कर दो, बाकी तो खा ही लेंगे स्कूल में। बट द बेस्ट पार्ट इज लाइक मम्मा क्या दे रहे हो? मैं कहा बेटा बिस्किट रख दिया। नो मम्मा दिस इज जंक फूड, आई डोंट वांट टू ईट। सो दिस थिंग इज लाइक we should also spend a much time. So I cook a bit, kuch makhana de diya and all. So that is something I have learned from my child, and it's only because of Little Illusion. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah, ma'am. Please.
तो बच्चा जब आपका बाहर पढ़ता है, बड़ा होता है, तो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट। ऐसे ही मेरे साथ हुआ, मेरा बच्चा आउट ऑफ इंडिया बॉर्न हुआ, तो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर हिम टू मैनेज हियर। The moment he came here, we asked, is it possible he can manage? They said, you just leave on us and everything will be happen very nicely. Nowadays, my son said, oh, is it Saturday? क्या मैं school नहीं जाऊँगा? I want to go to school. And the other thing, as you said, the fooding habits. It's really nice. And my son also told me, okay, this is junk. Even I have one son, he is 18 years old, but he want to eat something like junk, chips or something. He said, my teacher said it is junk and it's not good for you. So developing not because of educational, even emotionally, he understands what is when I am sad, when I am happy. He said, are you happy today? Are you sad? The emotional responsibility एक छोटे बच्चे में आई एम कंपेयरिंग कि मेरे 18 ईयर से वो 4 साल के बच्चे से ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उसमें डेवलप हुई। एंड रियली आई रियली थैंकफुल टू द स्कूल एंड एवरीवन who is developing him as a complete child, not कि मुझे बुकिश करना है या something. He is really nicely doing and I am really appreciate to principal, teacher and the other staff. He knows कि ये मेरी दीदी है. She is not Aya, she is not maid, she is my दीदी. She knows that कि मुझे respect कैसे देना है. तो बच्चे को आप एजुकेशनली नहीं ग्रूम कर रहे हो, आप उसको हर लेवल पे ग्रूम कर रहे हो. दैट इज रियली 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 हेल्पफुल
बच्चे को। तो एटलीस्ट यहाँ से वो जो भी सीखता है, लर्न करता है, वो एटलीस्ट घर में आता है, गुनगुनाता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें वो हमें कहता है, तो हमें भी ऐसा लगता है कि यस, हमने बच्चे को जो भेजा है ही इज़ इन सेफ हैंड्स. सो सबसे पहले जो यहाँ का स्टाफ है, दे आर वेरी नाइस एंड जेंटल पीपल. तो हमें बहुत हेल्प करते हैं अगर हमने कोई फीडबैक दे भी दिया. सो दे आर टेकिंग इट एज अ पॉजिटिव थॉट एंड दे आर इम्प्लीमेंटिंग इट. सो ये मुझे सबसे बेस्ट लगता है. तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हम बच्चों को स्कूल नहीं, हमारे घर में ही जा रहे हैं, चलो ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. एंड हर चीज़ कभी भी हमने फ़ोन किया हो, व्हाट्सएप किया हो, कुछ भी किया हो, तो उनका नाइसली रिप्लाई आता है इन वेरी पॉजिटिव मैनर. सो आई रियली अप्रिशिएट, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू हैव माई किड इन दिस. थैंक यू सो मच.
हम ऊंचा उड़ना जानते हैं, हम कोशिश करना जानते हैं, हम ऊंचा उड़ना जानते हैं, हम कोशिश करना जानते हैं, पर किसी से नहीं डरते हैं। हम LI के बच्चे हैं, हम थोड़े थोड़े कच्चे हैं, पर सबसे प्यारे बच्चे हैं। हम LI के बच्चे हैं। हम बड़ों का आदर करते हैं, पर मेहनत से नहीं डरते हैं। हम बड़ों का आदर करते हैं, पर मेहनत से नहीं डरते हैं, पर किसी से नहीं डरते हैं। हम LI के बच्चे हैं, हम थोड़े थोड़े कच्चे हैं, पर सबसे प्यारे बच्चे हैं। हम LI के बच्चे हैं, हम LI के बच्चे हैं, हम
Excuse me. Ma'am, look here. Auntie. Thank you. Thank you. Excuse me. Thank you. Chalo. Thank you. Lots of बस दो चार वो आ जाए बस
हम LI के बच्चे हैं। Thank you. Thank you.
रिकॉर्ड में ले लियो
I'm honored to have got this opportunity to respectfully and cordially welcome our esteemed guest of honor, our chairman, ma'am, an extremely talented principal ma'am, Ms. Tina Arora, and our lovely parents, staff, and all little eyes. To grace this special occasion, we have amongst ourselves our Honorable Chief Guest, Sir, Mr. N.K. Chopra, Sir, founder chairman of Little Illusions Preschool and Little Illusions World School. He holds degree in postgraduate with management and law. Mr. N.K. Chopra's dream and vision always was to see that Little Illusions becomes a standing platform of professionalism for the beginning of child career in education. He is constantly working towards the upliftment and expansion of activities in our school. Mr. N.K. Chopra, a renowned professional, is also the chairman of ICCH Global Consultancy, a leading company in exports with diverse business interests in fitness industry, beauty industry, and pharmaceuticals. As an immensely successful entrepreneur for over 3 decades, Mr. N.K. Chopra realized to give and create a beautiful world of education and learning in Greater Noida through the brand and banner of Little Illusions. I would request you all to please put your hands together for a very warm welcome of our chief guest. Please also put your hands together for the management and the leadership under whose vision the team Little Illusions is growing and will continue to unfold the many qualities of young minds. May I please request our principal ma'am, Ms. Tina Arora, to come forward and welcome our chief guest of honor by presenting to them a token of our love in the form of beautiful floral bouquet and a felicitation trophy. Parents, please give them a huge round of applause. May I now request our guest of honor, Mr. N.K. Chopra, Sir, Principal Ma'am and Ma'am, please come forward to light the lamp of wisdom and positivity to mark the beginning of our annual function, Expressions 2019 and 20.
Thank you.
Blessing of our Lord. It is indeed a pleasant day, all soaked in the celebration mood, ambience, and the chirping of our fellow friends. Thank you all for providing this enthusiasm and spirit of togetherness. It is a day of rejoice because we will recall together a lot of stories we have experienced in the last few years. It is also a day for our parents to know more about the past and recent developments of our school. In the beginning, with the music maestros of our school, the students of KG and Class 1 are going to present a beautiful welcome song. So I would request you all to please settle down and maintain silence so that you can enjoy every word of their mesmerizing melody. What a melodious performance. Parents, please give a huge round of applause. Superb, my dear students, superb. Well, our students have always proven themselves as students of diversified capabilities. And I'm sure you all will completely agree with this. The will to win, the desire to succeed, the urge to reach your full potential. Perfection is not attainable, but if we chase perfection, we can catch excellence. Excellence is something we all strive to attain. Our little eyes are all excellent in some way or the other. To appreciate and encourage them, we are going to be presenting Excellence Awards to our KG and Class 1 kids, setting an example with the will to achieve excellence for their juniors. To present the award, I would request our chief guest, Honorable Mrs. and Mr. N.K. Chopra, Ma'am and Sir, and Principal Ma'am, to please come up on the stage and do the honors. Sir, now please. Our Litalians of Class 1. First on next stage we have Adil Hasmi. Adil Hasmi, excellence in leadership, excellence in dramatisation and theatre. Adil Hosni is excellent in leadership qualities. He is funny and witty. He has excellent potential in dramatics and has a super stage presence. Congratulations.
क्योंकि यार ऐसे करते हैं
Next we have Anha Malik. Excellence in creative thinking and excellence in dance. Anha loves moving on the music with her super cool style. She has out-of-the-box thinking and comes up with a cute little idea. She has a great presence on stage. Congratulations, Anha. Next we have Garvika Yadav. Excellence in mathematics. A promising mathematician, Garvika is weak. She is super fast with her numbers. Has an excellent understanding of concepts in math. Congratulations, Garvika. Next we have Shanti Rank in dramatization and theatre. Excellence in reading and spelling. Ishanti Badman is an all-rounder. Excellence in English and Hindi. An all-rounder. Even in the class. She is a good orator. Has an excellent knowledge of concepts in English, math and Hindi. Congratulations, Sartika. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए, आवाज कम नहीं होनी चाहिए। Next we have Akula Kian Hussain. Excellence in behavior. Akula Kian Hussain is has a positive attitude towards food, shows an exemplary behavior with elders and peers. Congratulations, Kian. And excellence in behavior. Prashant Saini never fails to show up at school. He shows an exemplary behavior in the class. Very well-mannered boy. Congratulations, Prashant. Next we have Mrinal Vijay. Excellence in English and Hindi vocabulary. Mrinal Vijay is an excellent speller. He shows a tremendous potential in reading and writing skills. He is an excellent vocabulist of his age. Congratulations, Mrinal. Next we have Pragya Saini. Excellence in behavior. Pragya Saini is a graceful dancer with her beautiful smile and dance move. She charms us on the stage and presents an exemplary behavior throughout. Congratulations, Pragya. Next on stage we have Vihan Hazari. Excellence in dance, excellence in handwriting, English as well as Hindi. This little boy with loads of energy has an excellent stage presence as a dancer. He's got some amazing moves. Also astonishes us with his beautiful handwriting in English as well as Hindi. Congratulations, Vihan. Now please put your hands together for our retailers of KG class. First we have on stage Arab Goyal. Excellence in extracurricular activities. Excellence in attendance. Arab Goyal. Arab Goyal never fails to show up to school. He is very energetic child and always enthusiastic to take part in every activity. Congratulations, Arab.
Yes. Hello, beta.
एक बच्चे ने पूरी साल बहुत मेहनत करी है, आपको सिर्फ 5 मिनट ताली बजानी नहीं है. वेरी गुड. in writing. Arav Singh is a smart, agile boy of LR. He is witty and energetic. He astonishes us with his superb handwriting. Congratulations, Arav, please. Now we have Bhavika Gupta. Excellence in handwriting. Bhavika Gupta is one of the jewel of our school. She is a completely dedicated child towards her studies and astonishes us with her beautiful handwriting. Congratulations, Bhavika. Excellence in reading. Myra Nagar is a sweet and quiet child. She is obedient and shows an exemplary performance in reading. Smile, Myra. Congratulations, Myra. Next we have Nisa. Excellence in social behavior. Nisa has shown a tremendous potential in social behavior. He is courteous with his teachers and popular among friends. He enjoys socially with kids. Congratulations, team. On stage. Excellence in all-round behavior, polite and humble. Samaksh is an all-rounder. He is presentable, humble and polite. Amazes us with his excellent behavior. Congratulations, Samaksh. Now we have Shaurya Narayan. Excellence in English and Hindi spelling. Shaurya Narayan is a keen observer, has a very cute and naughty behavior as well. He has a good handwriting, good hand in his spelling. Congratulations, Shaurya. Next we have Shivansh Goyal. Excellence in extracurricular activity. Excellence in attendance. Shivansh Goyal has a positive attitude towards school and never forgets to show up in school. He is very smart and naughty kid and is always excited to take part in all activities. I think you cannot make it out with his cute smile and naughty behavior. Congratulations, Shivansh. Excellence in sports. Tejasvi Pandey is a bright and promising child. He loves playing with his peers and shows a good sportsmanship spirit.
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations, Tejasvi. Now we have Vidharthi Chaudhary. Excellence in curiosity. Vidharthi Chaudhary is a super curious girl. She is a keen observer and asks a lot of questions to her teachers. And she wants answers of all. Congratulations, Vidharthi. Next we have on stage Virat Jaiswal. Excellence in mathematics. Virat Jaiswal has a great potential of becoming a young mathematician. He is quiet and accurate with his numbers. Very cute and loving child. Congratulations, Virat. Last but not the least, we have Yuvraj Malik. Excellence in creative thinking. Yuvraj Malik is a budding creative thinker and expresses his imagination very well. He also astonishes us with his Hindi vocabulary at this young age. Congratulations, Yuvraj. Thank you so much, sir and ma'am. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for doing the honors. Once again, a huge round. Angel, sitting, saying time and again, grow, grow. This phrase fits so well for us. Here, I would like to share the entire journey of our school, Little Illusions Till Date. I'm sure each one of you would definitely like to hear and would love to know. So please lower down the music. Backstage. Sorry for the interruption. I would like to share the entire journey of our school, Little Illusions Till Date. I'm sure each one of you would definitely like to hear and would love to know how it all started and how it moved on. Well, I'm honored to have this opportunity of sharing the story. And it goes like this. We started our journey with a single office room, sitting in which our principal ma'am, Christina Arora, envisioned the entire setup, including setting up the entire curriculum, the books, the entire infrastructure and plan as to what is to be done. The entire design of the teaching methodology of the school and so on. And it took her 1 complete year to do all this. And side by side, the construction of our school building was going on. It was in January 2015 that we started enrolling our staff, and in March 2015, we had our first admission. And maybe it was a blessing, and henceforth our school never looked back. We started with only 4 kids in pre-nursery class. Thank you. And it slowly and gradually increased, and in the first year, we had somewhere around 50 kids. We started in a very small premises with just 2 rooms and an open garden area. So in the 2 rooms, we used to run all the classes, the playgroup and pre-nursery together. We had a play area also. Meanwhile, when the school building was complete, we shifted here in 2015, September 2015. Now we have a full-fledged school building. We have lots of activity rooms, dedicated rooms for various activities, separate library that is full of age-according books for kids. Initially, we planned to take classes just up to nursery level, but then slowly and gradually, as we continue to receive the love and support and motivation of our dear parents and grandparents, we kept on increasing a class year by year. Today, we are running our school up to class 1, and we have even made our school differently. From playgroup to KG class, we are Little Illusions Preschool, and from class 1 onwards, we have grown to be known as Little Illusions World School. And now we have the permission to run classes till 8 in the same premises with the basic Shiksha Adhikari and the Greater Noida authorities as well. Also, we have more than 400 students who have successfully graduated from Little Illusions and have continued their educational journey in other reputed schools of Noida and Greater Noida like Step by Step, Pragyan, Sri Ram Millennium, DPS, Shiv Nadar. Our alumni and are studying over there also. We are proud to mention that our students have excelled in all types of inter-school competitions and have made our school proud by attaining first 3 positions in all such competitions held in the past few years. I would like to share a few examples. Our kids went to GD Goenka school for fancy dress competition, and students from our class 1 of our school, Advika, achieved first position and Mrinal bagged the second position. We went to Graz International School for Sports Competition and our students of nursery class, Rivan Bharadwaj and Vedant, were on the first position in different categories. We went to PR Mangalam School for fashion show and our student Gunvansh Singh from nursery ranked the third position. I'm proud to announce his name is my student. Thank you. These are just few examples. There are many, many more to share. Last but not the least, I feel so proud to share the awards we have received in these 5 years. We were awarded the Best Preschool in Greater Noida by the National Education Excellence Award in 2017. The Most Promising Preschool in Greater Noida in Innovation and Excellence Summit 2017. Most Innovative Preschool in Greater Noida in Holistic Learning by National Education Excellence Award Committee in 2018. Global Excellence in January 2019 awarded us the Best Preschool and Daycare Center in Delhi NCR. Certificate of Excellence by Hello Parent app for rating us 4.8 on 5 stars. We are also rated 4.8 on 5 stars on Just Dial app by our parents. So we are proud to say that we have been the most loved preschool in the last 5 years. And we humbly take this opportunity to thank all our parents and grandparents without whose support and love all this would not have been possible. Thank you so much. At the end, we know we have only grown stronger and wiser, and happiness and satisfaction of the students and parents shows all is well. Thank you for your continued trust and faith. We set our own standards, strive to reach them, and elevate ourselves to higher planes. Now finally, the auspicious day has arrived to put an end to an eager waiting and the tireless preparation for this event. I once again welcome you all for on this wonderful 5th Annual Day celebration, Expressions 2019-20. So my dear audience, hold your breath to have a journey into Princess Emma Ki Online Dunya. Everyone will be surprised to see what is going to come on stage today. I would like to thank you all for being such patient listeners. Now please sit back and enjoy the show, as I would like to request you all not to leave your seat when the show is on. I would also like to request you all, please don't leave your seat for clicking pictures and taking videos. I assure you all, you'll be getting all the pictures and videos from the school reception all completely free of cost. Because if you leave your seat, the kids will be distracted. It's just for that. Thank you so much. So please enjoy the show thoroughly. Give a big hand. The kids backstage should listen to your clapping of the parents.
So many fans have come to see me today. I know. You all have been waiting for such a long time just to meet me. So here I am, Princess Emma, and I welcome you all to my online world.
Good morning, Emma. It's your special day. Your grandpops is coming today.
Thank you, Lisa. Oh wow, it's almost 10. My Dabu is going to be here anytime. I am so excited. It's going to be so sweet. OMG, I just forgot. It's almost 10 a.m. and I haven't even updated anything online. All my fans are going to be waiting for me. I'm such a silly girl. Hello bit late today. I'm really sorry. I know you all have been waiting for me, but here I am now. Yours one and only, super cute, super fun, superstar, Princess Emma. The day has finally arrived when I'm going to meet my special person who's coming to stay with us after a long time. You all will be so happy to meet him. He's just like me. Super cool, super trendy, super amazing, super smart. Mine and only mine, my super grand pops. Did you guys hear the doorbell just like I did? Let's go! I think Grandpops is here. Let's go and meet him. Hey Grandpops, how are you? See, all my fans are watching you. Say hello to the fans, Grandpops. Hello everyone. So friends, he's here and we are going to have so much fun. This is bye-bye for now from Princess Emma and her Grandpops. I'll keep you posted as the fun continues. नमस्ते पापा जी, अंदर आइए ना। आप इतने परेशान क्यों लग रहे हैं?
अरे बेटा, ये सब क्या है? हमारी प्यारी आशिमा प्रिंसेस एमा कब से बन गई? और ये सब फैंस कौन है? कहाँ है ये सब? मुझे तो खुद समझ नहीं आ रहा। पिछली बार मिला था तो छोटी सी थी हमारी आशिमा, मेरे आगे पीछे घूमती थी। दादू मेरे साथ खेलो ना, दादू घोड़ा बांधो ना, दादू घूमने करने चलो ना, दादू ये दादू वो, सारा दिन मेरे पीछे पड़ी रहती थी। और अब तो ऐसा लगता है ये कोई और ही है। आखिर ये सब कब बदला? कैसे हुआ ये सब?
पापा जी, जब से हमने आशिमा को उसके बर्थडे पे मोबाइल फोन गिफ्ट किया था ना, ये सब उसी दिन से शुरू हुआ है। न जाने अब सारा दिन वो कौन सी ऐप पर लगी रहती है। सारा दिन अपने कमरे में अलग अलग पोज में अलग अलग कपड़े पहनकर बस फोटो क्लिक करती रहती है। न कहीं खेलने जाती है और ना ही कोई दोस्त उससे मिलने घर आता है। एक अलग ही दुनिया में चली गई है हमारी आशिमा। आप भी बात करके देखिए ना, वो आपसे तो बहुत प्यार करती है। शायद आपकी बात उसे समझ में आए।
अब समझा, ये तो बहुत बड़ी बीमारी है, घर में फैली हुई है। इसे ठीक करने के लिए अब मुझे ही कुछ करना पड़ेगा। लगता है आशिमा भूल गई है कि फैन से ज्यादा फ्रेंड्स जरूरी होते हैं। क्यों ना मैं आशिमा के सभी पुराने फ्रेंड्स को घर पे बुला लूं? उन्हें मेरे साथ खेलता देख के मेरी आशिमा जरूर खेलने आएगी।
देखो रे बच्चों, तुम लोग सब नहीं आओगे तो रेलगाड़ी छूट जाएगी। रेलगाड़ी
Maybe I'll play tomorrow. It's okay. आशिमा का जरूर खेलना तुम हमारे साथ। कल हम मैच खेलेंगे तुम्हारा। हाँ हाँ आशिमा का जरूर खेलना हमारे साथ। पक्का ना तुम खेलोगी ना हमारे साथ। बाय बाय आशिमा। ओके बाय आशिमा।
बाय बाय बच्चों, ध्यान से जाना। कल फिर से आना। हाँ, मैं आप सबका वेट करूंगा। कल एक नया गेम खेलेंगे। बाय बाय।
OMG, what was that? What was my grandpa's up to? If my fans would have seen it, I would have been in such a big trouble. I have to take the charge of situation now. Let me talk to my grandpops. Grandpops! Grandpops! Grandpops, please come and sit here. I have to talk to you about something. Please sit with me.
हाँ बेटा आशिमा, बोलो क्या बात है?
Oh no, Grandpops. Please don't call me Ashima. It's such an oldie name. Please call me Emma. It's so cool and so trendy. Please.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है बेटा, मैं तुम्हें एमा ही बुलाऊंगा। पर बताओ तो सही, आखिर हुआ क्या?
Grandpops, why did you call all those tacky kids to a house? And what were you all playing? It was so cheap and so uncool. What will my fans think about you? It's so not done, Grandpops.
मगर तुम ऐसा क्यों कह रही हो आशिमा? वो सब तो तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स थे ना, तुम तो उनके साथ खेलती हो, तो फिर तुम ऐसा क्यों कह रही हो?
खेलती हूँ नहीं, Grandpops. I used to play with them, but now I'm a part of a much bigger world. You know, I have more than 2 million followers all over the world. They would do anything for me. They are my real friends, Grandpops.
2 मिलियन? पर बेटा वो सब है कहाँ? देखो ना, कितने सारे फ्रेंड्स तो आए थे घर पर तुमने तो उनसे बात भी नहीं करी। सब तुमसे बात करना चाहते थे ना, और सब तुम्हारे साथ खेलना भी चाहते थे।
Oh, please, Grandpops. You are highly educated and you live in such a posh society. Please don't talk like all those old dadajis. Don't you want to be cool and trendy just like me?
बात तो तुम्हारी ठीक है। क्या मैं भी तुम्हारी इस कूल दुनिया का हिस्सा बन सकता हूँ बेटा?
Of course, Dadaji. You can, and I would love to show you around. So, are you ready to have a great experience?
ठीक है बेटा, तो फिर मैं भी ट्राई करता हूँ। दिखाओ मुझे अपनी ऑनलाइन की दुनिया।
So let's share it. नमस्ते पापा जी, अंदर आइए ना। आप इतने परेशान क्यों लग रहे हैं?
अरे बेटा, ये सब क्या है? हमारी प्यारी आशिमा प्रिंसेस एमा कब से बन गई? और ये सब फैंस कौन है? कहाँ है ये सब? मुझे तो खुद समझ नहीं आ रहा। पिछली बार मिला था तो छोटी सी थी हमारी आशिमा, मेरे आगे पीछे घूमती थी। दादू मेरे साथ खेलो ना, दादू घोड़ा बनो ना, दादू घूमने करने चलो ना, दादू ये दादू वो, सारा दिन मेरे पीछे पड़ी रहती थी। और अब तो ऐसा लगता है ये कोई और ही है। आखिर ये सब कब बदला? कैसे हुआ ये सब?
पापा जी, जब से हमने आशिमा को उसके बर्थडे पे मोबाइल फोन गिफ्ट किया था ना, ये सब उसी दिन से शुरू हुआ है। न जाने अब सारा दिन वो कौन सी ऐप पर लगी रहती है। सारा दिन अपने कमरे में अलग पोज में अलग कपड़े पहनकर बस फोटो क्लिक करती रहती है। न कहीं खेलने जाती है और ना ही कोई दोस्त उससे मिलने घर आता है। एक अलग ही दुनिया में चली गई है हमारी आशिमा। आप भी बात करके देखिए ना, वो आपसे तो बहुत प्यार करती है। शायद आपकी बात उसे समझ में आए।
अब समझा, ये तो बहुत बड़ी बीमारी है, घर में फैली हुई है। इसे ठीक करने के लिए अब मुझे ही कुछ करना पड़ेगा। लगता है आशिमा भूल गई है कि फैन से ज्यादा फ्रेंड्स जरूरी होते हैं। क्यों ना मैं आशिमा के सभी पुराने फ्रेंड्स को घर पे बुला लूं? उन्हें मेरे साथ खेलता देख के मेरी आशिमा जरूर खेलने आएगी।
देखो रे बच्चों, तुम लोग सब नहीं जाओगे तो रेलगाड़ी छूट जाएगी। यड्डा, यड्डा, यड्डा। बीच वाले स्टेशन बोले छाती पार कर जाती बालू रे आलू रे बाजार धान बुद्धा के साथ हरा मैदान मंदिर मकान चाय की दुकान फुल झंडी पीले पर झंडी पानी के धुंध पंछी के झुंड चाय की खेती बारी बादल धुआं मोट कुआं कुएं के पीछे बाग बगीचे छोटी हाथ मंडल के हाथ गाँव में मेला भीड़ झंझला टूटी दीवार टट्टू सवार लगा बीच वाले स्टेशन बोले
खेलो ना हमारे साथ। Oh no, it's okay. You guys play. You please carry on. I don't want to play with you all today. Maybe I'll play tomorrow. It's okay. आशिमा का जरूर खेलना तुम हमारे साथ। कल हम मैच खेलेंगे तुम्हारा। हाँ आशिमा का जरूर खेलना हमारे साथ। पक्का ना तुम खेलोगी ना हमारे साथ। बाय बाय आशिमा। बाय आशिमा।
बाय बाय बच्चों, ध्यान से जाना। कल फिर से आना। हाँ, मैं आप सबका वेट करूंगा। कल एक नया गेम खेलेंगे। बाय
OMG, what was that? What was my grandpa's up to? If my fans would have seen it, I would have been in such a big trouble. I have to take the charge of the situation now. Let me talk to my grandpops. Grandpops! Grandpops! Grandpops, please come and sit here. I have to talk to you about something. Please sit with me.
हाँ बेटा आशिमा, बोलो क्या बात है?
Oh no, Grandpops. Please don't call me Ashima. It's such an oldie name. Please call me Emma. It's so cool and so trendy. Please.
अच्छा ठीक है बेटा, मैं तुम्हें एमा ही बुलाऊंगा। पर बताओ तो सही, आखिर हुआ क्या?
Grandpops, why did you call all those tacky kids to a house? And what were you all playing? It was so cheap and so uncool. What will my fans think about you? It's so not done, Grandpops.
मगर तुम ऐसा क्यों कह रही हो आशिमा? वो सब तो तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स थे ना? तुम तो उनके साथ खेलती हो, तो फिर तुम ऐसा क्यों कह रही हो?
खेलती हूँ नहीं, Grandpops. I used to play with them, but now I'm a part of a much bigger world. You know, I have more than 2 million followers all over the world. They would do anything for me. They are my real friends, Grandpops.
2 मिलियन? पर बेटा वो सब है कहाँ? देखो ना, कितने सारे फ्रेंड्स तो आए थे घर पर तुमने तो उनसे बात भी नहीं करी। सब तुमसे बात करना चाहते थे ना, और सब तुम्हारे साथ खेलना भी चाहते थे।
Oh please, Grandpops. You are highly educated and you live in such a posh society. Please don't talk like all those old dadadis. Don't you want to be cool and trendy just like me?
बात तो तुम्हारी ठीक है। क्या मैं भी तुम्हारी इस कूल दुनिया का हिस्सा बन सकता हूँ बेटा?
Of course, Dadaji. You can, and I would love to show you around.
फिर मैं भी ट्राई करता हूँ। दिखाओ मुझे अपनी ऑनलाइन की दुनिया।
So let's share it.
हमें आशिमा का ये ऑनलाइन वाला भूत उसकी ऑनलाइन दुनिया में जाकर ही निकालना पड़ेगा। तो देर किस बात की है, चलिए आप भी हमारे साथ हमारी नन्ही आशिमा की ऑनलाइन की दुनिया में। अरे एमा बेटा, ये हम कहाँ आ गए? ये सब क्या है? ये कौन सी दुनिया है? मुझे तो कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा।
That's all right, Grandpops. This is the first step to enter into the world of online. We are now at the center of it all. We are inside the Google.
गूगल? बेटा, मगर हमारे लिए क्या कर सकता है तुम्हारे लिए गूगल?
Oh, Grandpops, you're such a cutie pie. You know what? Let me explain. Google is a search engine which can answer any question in the world. You just have to ask it.
अच्छा अच्छा, अब समझ आया। जब तुम छोटी थी और तुम्हें कोई प्रॉब्लम होती थी या कुछ समझ नहीं आता था, तो तुम मुझसे पूछने आती थी ना, दादू ये कैसे होगा, दादू वो कैसे होगा, दादू ये कैसे चलता है बताओ ना। वैसे ही ना, मतलब मैं तो तुम्हारा गूगल ही हूँ।
Yeah, Grandpops, just like that. But instead, Google is much, much smarter and faster than you. Don't you want to give it a try, Grandpops?
चलो एमा, हम तुम्हारा गूगल ट्राई करके देखते हैं।
Look, Grandpops, there's the help desk with a smart Google guy over there. Let's go and ask him something now. Let's go, let's go.
Okay.
Good morning, sir. How may I help you today? Umbrella, Umbridge, Umami.
No.
Notebook, Nottingham, Nokia, Nostalgia. Arrested, Alias, Arrow, Arrival.
अरे मैं इससे क्या पूछूं?
You can ask me anything, sir. I have all the answers.
एमा, अब मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है।
I can list 40 different ways to calm you down, sir. Let me help you, Grandpops. Google, Grandpops wants to enter the online world. Please help him now. Give me a second. show him, and with his new Gmail ID, we are all set to go. So let's share it.
Time to check my Facebook. Facebook, gotta check my Facebook. Gotta take another look.
Nothing new, I'm hooked.
What to do? Hit refresh.
Facebook, gotta check my Facebook. Gotta creep on all my friends every day.
There's no end. It's the Facebook way. Facebook, gotta check my Facebook.
Gotta take another look. Nothing new, I'm hooked. What to do? Hit refresh.
Facebook, gotta check my Facebook.
Gotta creep on all my friends
Every day. There's no end.
Nothing new.
I'm hooked.
What to do?
Refresh every day. There's no end.
It's the Facebook way. It's the Facebook way. It's the Facebook way. Please, one more out.
अरे सब कहाँ भागते जा रहे हैं? कुछ होने तो नहीं वाला? क्या आज कुछ खास है क्या? सब लोग इतने जल्दी में क्यों हैं?
Welcome to the magical world of Facebook. This is one of the best places online, Grandpops. You can find all your old lost friends and all your family members here.
पर एमा बेटा, तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स तो घर पर आए थे ना तुमसे मिलने, और तुमने उनमें से किसी से बात भी नहीं करी।
That's the best thing about FB, Grandpops. You don't actually have to talk to anyone, and yet you can catch up on what's going on in everyone's life. See, I know all about my friends from Facebook, who has gone abroad on a trip, who's watching a movie, who's attending a birthday party, and so much more.
Do you accept? Accepted. Oh wow! Now you're my friend, Emma, and I can see your entire profile. Oh my! You're such an artist. Look at all the paintings that you've made, Emma. I think I'm also hooked. Let me put a post. Feeling fantastic with Princess Emma exploring the online world. Great! Can't wait to see what's next. Let's go, Emma. Quickly, let's go. तो देखा आप सबने आशिमा पर ऑनलाइन ऐप्स का इतना इन्फ्लुएंस है।
मैंने तुझे WhatsApp किया, तूने मुझे धक्के किया, फिर से तुझे WhatsApp किया, जाके तूने चेक किया, लास्ट सीन स्टेटस तेरा मुझको खबर है, तूने मारा इग्नोर मुझे ये भी सुपर है, 2-4 पहले कभी मैसेज अनचेक है, वो भी पढ़ के डिलीट मारा कुछ तो लिमिट है, इतना बड़ा हैप्पी टू यू सेट किया खुद टाइपिंग कर, रिप्लाई ने आया चुन्नी से थैंक्स कुछ तो शराब मैंने तुझे WhatsApp किया, तूने मुझे धक्के किया, फिर से तुझे WhatsApp किया, अब जाके तूने चेक किया।
What place is this, Emma? It looks just wonderful. Please tell me, what place is this? Please tell me.
I can see that you're loving the online world, Grandpops, aren't you? This is the fascinating land of WhatsApp, where you can greet everyone, you can just send silly emojis to each other instead of talking, you can create special groups of just your close ones, or you can broadcast a message out loud to everyone. It's the best place to send instant messages to each other. I'm loving it, Emma. Heart, heart, clap, clap. Let's go see other apps as well. Why is Grandpops messaging me and not saying anything? I don't understand. But anyways, let's go. I think Grandpops is loving this online world. And I was so right to bring him along. Let's continue our journey. Let's see which app world should we go to next. I know. Let's check out Snapchat now.
Happening here, Emma? Why is everyone sticking their tongues out? What place is this? What is everyone doing?
Grandpops, this is the world of Snapchat. You can make funny faces on this app. Come, let me show you around. Just like that. Now you also stick your tongue out.
Oh, damn, that's cool. Now give it to me, Emma. Let me try on my own.
Okay. But Grandpops, shouldn't we do it together?
Yeah, Emma. We'll do it together. Just later on. Right now, just let me check a few of the faces. Please, can you stand on a side, Emma? I think I'm becoming a pro of this online world. Come, let's see what else is there. Let's go. इस उम्र में मुझे क्या क्या नहीं करना पड़ रहा, पता नहीं आशिमा को सही रास्ते पर लाने के लिए अभी मुझे और कितने पापड़ बेलने पड़ेंगे।
Twitter bird, tweet a little tweet on Twitter. Any little thing will do.
There's a little tweet's a winner. You can do it too.
Just tweet a little tweet on Twitter. Everyone will know what's new.
Tweet a little tweet, it's up to you. In 140 characters, I'll tell you what I eat.
On Twitter, I post random quotes and pictures of my feet. I'm staying up to date with friends while walking down the street.
Yeah, Twitter's pretty sweet.
I'm Twittering, my life is now complete. It's literary with every single tweet. You think that you're so cool, retweeting things like tools. You're all a bunch of fools. Hashtag nature. Every little tweet on Twitter, every little thing you do.
Every single tweet's a winner. You can do it too.
Just tweet a little tweet on Twitter. Everyone will know what's new. Tweet a little tweet, it's up to you.
Every little tweet on Twitter, every little tweet will do. Every single tweet's a winner. You can do it too.
Just tweet a little tweet on Twitter. Everyone will know what's new.
Tweet a little tweet,
It's up to you.
What is all this trash talk? Why is everyone blaming each other here? What kind of a place is this, Emma?
This is Twitter, दादू। यहाँ पर सारे बड़े-बड़े सेलिब्रिटीज पहले अपना ट्वीट करते हैं और फिर एक दूसरे के ट्वीट का सपोर्ट या अपोज करते हैं। हम भी यहाँ पर किसी को भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं, फिर वो जो भी ट्वीट करेंगे हम वो सब देख पाएंगे और उसे रीट्वीट या उस पर कमेंट भी कर पाएंगे।
That's great. This is the most useful app for me. I can stay in touch with the recent affairs and I can also give my opinion on various issues of the society. That's great. Let me just follow a few celebrities and leaders here. TTYL.
TTYL यानी talk to you later। पता नहीं धीरे-धीरे दादू को क्या हो रहा है, वो मुझसे ज्यादा apps पे फोकस क्यों कर रहे हैं?
I'm done, Emma. You're an angel. You've changed my life. I'm enjoying this online world so much. Keep going. Don't stop. I want to see everything. See, all my fans are also looking at you. Say hi to everyone. Hey friends, this is me, G-Pops, and my special granddaughter, Princess Emma. Princess Emma is showing me the world of online apps. And we both are having such a great time. Aren't we, Emma? So bye-bye friends. We will keep you posted as the fun continues. Let's go!
Friends, I don't know why, but ऐसा लग रहा है कि दादू कुछ बदल से गए हैं। क्या आपको भी ऐसा लग रहा है? Or is it just me?
Bebe? कीजिए?
₹10
से पहले कीजिए।
क्या है?
कौन है वो?
बच्चा भी कौन है?
पीछे देखो, पीछे पीछे तो देखो, उधर देखो।
वो भूल गई। WhatsApp Facebook हो गया पुराना, Instagram और Snapchat भी पुराना, हाय हाय TikTok का जमाना। WhatsApp Facebook हो गया पुराना, Instagram और Snapchat भी पुराना, हाय हाय TikTok का जमाना।
Oh wow! What great actors and dancers! Are we in a movie, dear? Where are we?
दादू, ये तो टिकटॉक है, यहाँ पर हम किसी भी फेमस डायलॉग या गाने पे एक्ट करके अपनी वीडियो डाल सकते हैं और जितने लाइक्स हमारी वीडियो को मिलेंगे हम उतने ही फेमस हो जाएंगे। See, I've also uploaded so many videos and there are thousands of likes on my videos.
Super! Then I will also make my videos and post it on TikTok. Thank you so much, Emma. You've been such a darling. I'm so grateful to you for showing me so much. I think that I can look into other apps on my own now. And if I need any help, I'll ask my online friends for suggestion. You have totally changed my thinking, dear. We don't need to actually be in touch with people when we can do it online. It's so straight. Bye-bye now, Princess Emma. We will meet again, but this time we'll meet online. I'll keep you posted as the fun continues.
पता नहीं दादू इतने क्यों बदल गए हैं। अब तो ऐसा लगता है कि उनको मेरी जरूरत ही नहीं है। I'm feeling so alone. I need my friends right now. Let me call them. हेलो नताशा, मैं आशिमा बोल रही हूँ। क्या तुम मेरे साथ खेलने पार्क में चलोगी? Oh no dear, I can't. I'm busy making my TikTok right now. But maybe later, TTYL. हेलो समीरा, क्या तुम मेरे साथ साइकिल चलाने चलोगी? Oh please Emma, you know ना how tough it is to please fans. I'm busy on Instagram, TTYL. मुझसे तो कोई भी खेलना नहीं चाहता, कोई मेरे से बात नहीं करता। I'm so alone. I'm feeling so bad.
क्या हुआ बेटा? You look so sad. Something happened. Are you all right?
मम्मा प्लीज आप ना मुझे आशिमा ही बुलाइए। I don't want to be called Emma anymore. I understand now that I was so wrong. मैंने ऑनलाइन फ्रेंड्स जिन्हें मैंने कभी देखा भी नहीं, उनके लिए आप सबको कितना नेग्लेक्ट किया। आप लोगों को कितना बुरा लगता होगा ना, बट आपने मुझे कभी भी एहसास नहीं कराया। आप सब कितने अच्छे हो और दादू भी कितनी अच्छी है। मेरे साथ खेलते थे, मुझे घुमाने ले जाते थे, मेरे लिए खाने के लिए इतनी सारी चीजें लाते थे, बट मैंने उनका भी दिल तोड़ दिया। और वो इतने बदल गए हैं कि उनके पास मेरे लिए टाइम ही नहीं है। I am so sorry मम्मा, I am such a selfish girl.
अले 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 मेरी पाली आशिमा रो रही है। तुझे क्या लगा पगली, मैं ऑनलाइन एप्स के चक्कर में तुझे भूल जाऊंगा? मैं तो एक्टिंग कर रहा था बुद्धू, ताकि तुम्हें समझ आ सके कि इन ऐप्स से भी ज्यादा जरूरी होते हैं वो लोग जो हमारे अपने होते हैं, जो हमारा ख्याल रखते हैं और हमारे हर सुख और दुख में हमारे साथ खड़े होते हैं।
अब मुझे समझ आ गया दादू, प्लीज मुझे माफ कर दो।
माफ किया? सिर्फ मैंने ही नहीं, वो देखो तुम्हारे सारे फ्रेंड्स ने भी तुम्हें माफ किया।
हेलो आशिमा, हाय आशिमा, अब तो खेलोगी ना साथ हमारे? खेलोगी ना हमारे साथ आशिमा? हाँ हाँ, मैं जरूर खेलूंगी। दादू मैं जाऊँ खेलने?
अरे रुको रुको, कहाँ जा रही हो खेलने? मैं भी आ रहा हूँ तुम्हारे साथ।
What a performance! Parents, please! I think many of us would have learned a lesson. a great experience altogether. I'm sure all of you must have enjoyed every bit of the show. Isn't it? That's it. Very good. Thank you once again to be such lovely audience, and I'm really, really grateful. Thank you so much for being so patient. Each and every parent was sitting and watching the show. Nobody left the seat. Nobody disturbed. Thank you so much.
Well done, Beju.
I would now request our chief guest, sir, to please come up and say a few lines of encouragement to us. So please, parents, please put your hands together.
Dearest Principal Tina Arora, talented teachers, wonderful performers, highly professional, motivating, learning. It's a wonderful show, flawless, smooth. I'm so impressed, motivated. I'm announcing there will be one branch in Delhi too. Thank you, wonderful parents, grandparents, and our little eyes. You have done excellent, par excellence job today. I'm so impressed. God bless you. Stay blessed.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you for the kind word. I could hear sir becoming a little difficulty, but still he has said such encouraging words to us. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would request our principal ma'am to please say a few lines as word of thanks to bring this lovely event to an end. Now, please, audience, please welcome our great, talented principal ma'am, Ms. Tina Arora. Yay!
Good afternoon, parents. Good afternoon, everyone. Every year I prepare a speech to come on stage and deliver. But every year I see the performance, and the level of performance my kids show over here is mesmerizing even for me. Now I think they do purposely not perform well till the last day just to tease me, and they perform exceptionally well on the last day. Till yesterday I was shouting on each one of them, "You need to act karte," and today they were like, I could not pick a single flaw in their performance. Absolutely wonderful. Just a little thing I would like to mention. क्या होने लग गया है आजकल, माँ बाप बच्चा पैदा होता है हमारे पास लेकर के आते हैं एडमिशन कराने के लिए, और हमारे को आकर के बोलने लगे, मैम आपको पता है मेरा बच्चा मोबाइल अपने आप चला लेता है, प्ले स्टोर खोल लेता है, ऐप डाउनलोड कर लेता है. सो उस वक्त हमें बड़ा अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि 2 साल का बच्चा फोन में अपने आप ऐप डाउनलोड कर पा रहा है. बट बाय द टाइम द चाइल्ड टर्न्स 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, slowly and gradually you see कि आपका बच्चा आपसे दूर होता जा रहा है. I prefer कि rather than बच्चे को टॉकिंग टॉम खोल के दे दे बात करने के लिए, आप खुद बच्चे के लिए प्रेजेंट रहें, खुद बच्चे से बात करें. बच्चे को ऑनलाइन गेम्स की जगह बाहर लेकर के जाए, पार्क में लेकर के जाए, थोड़ा सा बेनिफिट आपको रहेगा. क्योंकि हमारे माँ बाप ने हमारे को नहीं दिया था बचपन में, तो आज हम अपने माँ बाप को इस टाइम पे रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. The apps do not teach respect. तो जब हमारे बच्चे इस एज के होंगे, we do not know how to manage it. So promise me that you will not give mobiles to your child, okay? Nobody will get a phone till they are 18 at least.
Parents, say promise.
Promise. जिनके पास है वापस छीन ले please. Another thing, for parents it's a 40-minute show. For us it's 40 people working for 4 months continuously, day and night. I would like to thank all my staff, even the single person जो बाहर हमारा रात तक बैठा है, वो भी आपको रात को 8-9 बजे हमारे साथ उठते हैं. हमारे सारे भैया लोग, स्पेशली हमारे मुर्तजा सर कहाँ हैं? मुर्तजा सर चले गए वर्किंग, तो उनको कभी नहीं पता होता कि उनकी तारीफ हो रही है. So we all have worked. Every teacher has taken care so much. मैं किसका नाम लूँ किसका छोड़ूँ मुझे नहीं पता था. Art and craft has been done by everyone. Shalu ma'am, Amrita ma'am, Bhavna ma'am, they have given their heart and soul to the program. The teachers upstairs, जान लगा दी उन्होंने प्रिपरेशन के लिए. बच्चे नहीं आ रहे थे, घर से बुला के खींच के लेके आए. हम लोग की प्रैक्टिस करा लो, प्लीज मिल दो. एंड पेरेंट्स, थैंक यू सो मच. आपने इतनी ठंड में हमें कोऑपरेट किया, बच्चे भेजे. हमारा शो सक्सेसफुल नहीं होता अगर आप बच्चे नहीं भेजते. थैंक यू सो मच. Keep having your blessings on us. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the show. Can we all of you enjoy the applause? I request everyone to please stand up for the national anthem now.
Hands by your side.
Okay, stand it is. Attention. Attention. Okay, ready? Please, I request the music teacher to take the mic from me now.
Hands by your side, kids.
Let's start. 1,